Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. So far, we learned how to print message and get the input on the terminal window. In this video, I will show you what is type conversion and how it works in Python. For that, we will see by writing a simple example for calculating the age. Let's get into the demo. I'll be creating a simple file over here by right clicking on it, new file, and I'm naming it as type conversion, and the extension should be .py. Just adding it over here. So for calculating age, we need to get the birth year. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting the variable birth. Let's go here using the input birth year. And how we will be calculating age is the subtracting the input with the current year. So I'm just getting the age equal to 2022 minus the variable which we have got, birth year. I'm just printing the value, print of age. Let's see how it works now. Just giving a type conversion to run. It's asking the birth year. I'm just typing 1989, and it's thrown error. Let's see what is an error. It clearly tells in which line and what it's a type error. It shows the second line, it's the error is unsupported operand type for integer and string. So whatever we type on the terminal, right, whether it will be a number or float or string, it will always treat as a string only, even if you type the number. So after getting the string right, it is trying to add it in the expression over here. So Python doesn't know how to interpret or how to evaluate this expression. To fix this problem, what we have to do is we need to convert that string into integer, then only it will be able to subtract from 2022. So far we have learned two inbuilt functions, one is print and another one is input. We have few more functions for converting the value into different types. For example, we have the types called integer, inbuilt function is integer. What it will do is it will convert the string to integer. Similarly, we have float, it will convert the string to float. Similarly, for Boolean also we have bool, it will convert the string to Boolean. So let's see what will happen now. I will be converting the string, this birth year string, to integer. For that, I am using the inbuilt function integer of birth year. That's it. And I want to know what is the type of this variable means. You can just type print type of birth year. What it will do is it will just print what is the type of this variable birth year. Now let's see what's happening over here. It's just asking the birth year now. I'm just giving 1989, and the second line is printing the type of this birth year. It's string and it's calculating the age. So from this video, the takeaway is whenever we use the input function, we always get as a string only. So if you're expecting a numerical value, you should always convert the string into the integer or float. So from this video, we have learned about what is type conversion. If you have any doubts or any issues in implementing this functionality, you just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you, friends.